ole in zawa in chi bai le vekule voina tan chuan in exercise 1g sets thau ha kan zir le dona I ama kan lo zir to chang khan intersection enge union enge tin complement enge ti zong zong te kha kan shevek to a chung complement te intersection te only a ti zong zong te anron pe anga chumi hnuwa I enge anron pe ka chang khan union zon chua dan te enge amal chau zon chua dan te kha hai hemi formula mang hian kan zir le dona hemi formula hi in by heart vekanga in ria thiam lo chuan voina kan zir tur hi a thiam thei don lova chu wang chuan hei hi in lo by heart anga chuan exercise a kan lu tang o ole exercise 1g a khan kan han en chuan in if A and B are two sets such that n of A equal to 27, number of A equal to 37, number of B is equal to 26, number of A union B equal to 51 aron ti chu ti ni chuan n of A intersection B chu enge ni aron ti ani chu ti ni chu aron soi om zia chuan hei hi pahnih kha lo om ta ni hei hi A lo ni ta se hei B lo ni ta se A zonga hi hei A pum pui a hi 37 ania B pum pui a hi the whole B is 26 and then all the union A and B is 51 aron ti ni so chuan then find A intersection B here we will find out here helai this portion hemi portion hi kan zong chuak don ti na chu A intersection B chu ti ni chuan in I already said that the formula is A union B formula is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B alo ni ta ni heta chuan in order to this question you need to find out A intersection B in order to find out A intersection B we have to move hey hemi hi kan move ang hei hi le lama kan move chuan minus sign will be plus and then we will move back this plus sign will be minus sign ta hen minus alo ni tong chu ti ni chuan we can find out A intersection B chuan chu ti ni chuan in A intersection B kan zon chua don chuan n of A chu thar a ya we can put 37 instead of n of A next time 26 kha kan put le thai n of B a ya chuan and then we can put 51 instead of n of A union B chu ti ni chuan 22 lo chuak don ti na ni chu chuan number 3 kha kan en lenga A and B are two sets such that n of A is equal to 24, n of B is equal to 22, n of A intersection B is equal to 8. Find n of A union B rondia. We already learned that n of A union B kha kan thiam to ni kan thiam to n of A union B formula kha kan to chu ti ni chuan in you can put instead of this and this value hemi aya khan an value shang shang kha kan put thai ti na ni chu ti ni chuan 24 plus 22 minus 8 ania chu kan minus 1 38 alo chuak ti na ni chuan A minus B kan ti chuan in tan kan zia kanga hei A lo ni ta se hei B lo ni ta se hei A nia hei B nia A minus B ani chuan in hei A minus B chu A minus B chu helai portion chin zong hi ni A minus B is this portion excluding B intersection a chuan A intersection B in chuan in including B ani wangin hei ta B tela wangin A minus B chu excluding all portion of B ti na ni hemi lam tel lo zong khati na ni a chu ti ni chuan n of A minus n of A formula chu n of A formula chu n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B ni khami mang khan kan zong anga n of A minus B chu in order to find out n of A minus B you have to move n of A intersection B to right hand side. The plus sign will be minus sign. Minus alo nito ang. So tini chuanin n of a aya hey 24 can put thai. We can put n of a you can put 24 in place of n of a. Chuan n of a intersection b aya khan 22 can put 8 can put thai ni. So tini chuan the answer will be 24 minus 8 is 16 alo ni ta ti na ni chu chuan number 4 kha kan en lenga. If a and b are two sets such that n of a minus b is equal to 24, n of b minus a is equal to 19, n of a intersection b equal to 11 na ron ti ni. Find n of b ron tia. N of b zong chuak ro aron ti ni chu heta chuan chu ti ni chuan in n of b chu heta kan en chuan formula hemi formula chuan n of b minus a plus a intersection b is equal to n of b. Chu ti ni chuan in the formula of n of b is n of b minus a. Hey, b minus a is this portion minus n of a intersection b plus n of a intersection b. The whole term is n of b anitani. The whole portion is n of b. So tini is 1 in 9 plus 19 plus 11. So the value of n of b will be 30. Chuan in a group of 50 person, 30 like tea, 25 like coffee, and 60 like both. Aron titani. Chuan chu ti ni chuan either tea or coffee, neither tea or coffee kha kan zon chua tur chu ni a. A kha let A be the set of person who like tea tin kan lau putang. A is the set of person who like tea, and B is the set of person who like coffee. A intersection B is the set of person who like both. Anitani. Chuan chu ti ni chuan n of A is 30, n of B is 25, n of A intersection B is 16. 16. So now we need to find out either tea or coffee means tea emo coffee emo du ti na ni chu du ve tea emo coffee emo du ani chuanin heta hai hi tan kan enanga hai hi tea lo ni se hai coffee lo ni se hemi emo hemi du ani chuan ap pahnih khan ti na ni mai union ti na ni mai. Either tea or coffee means the union of tea and coffee ti na ni chu the union of tea and coffee. So ti ni chuanin you need to find out n of A union B. So the formula of n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. We have cleared that n of A is 30, n of B means 25, n of A intersection B is 16. We can put instead of n of A, n of B, and n of A intersection B. 30 plus 25 minus 16 is 39. Allow ni ta ti na ni chu chuan neither tea nor coffee ani chuanin tea po du lau coffee po du lau ti na ni chu tea po du lau don't like any tea or coffee ti na ni chu a enga ma ti na ni chu don't nothing ani top mai chu ni chu ti ni chuanin hai kan en chuanin universal set kha aron petani. Universal set chu somnga kha hetami aron zia kha student zat kha chu ti ni chuan neither tea or coffee means A not A intersection complement B. A complement intersection B complement chuan A union B complemented look De Morgan's law khan hai De Morgan's law. This is De Morgan's law. Chuan chu ti ni chuan kan zon ngai chu in order to find out the student who like neither tea or coffee, you have to find out n of A union B complement. N of A union B complement formula is N of universal set minus N of A union B. Adu lovek anni wangin hei eng wange universal set te kharon tel kan ti chuanin hei hi lo ni ta A union B ni chuan hei zong zong A union B is the whole portion. So this is the out of A union B. Neither tea or coffee means outside A union B tinani. So this is A union B. Neither means don't like any tea or coffee. Ani wangin. So we have to find out the outside of A union B. The outside of A union B is nothing ani wang khanin eng hai an mani kha khan eng tinge kan so eng ma an du lo wang khan universal set atang hianin A union B kan maina sang A union B kan maina sang upon lama mi an ni wang hian chu ti ni chuan universal set is 50 minus A union B is 39. The answer will be 11. Chuan hai kan en chuan there are 200 individuals with skin disorder rontia mi zani te kha I enge nat na khan nai ni vun nat na kha 123 has been exposed to chemical C1 chuan so 50 kha chu chemical C2 manginania and 30 to both chemical C1 and C2. Find the number of individual exposed to arontitani. Chemical C1 but not chemical C2 arontini. Heta omzia chu hai chemical C1 lo ni ta se, hai C1 lo ni se, hai C2 lo ni ta se. Suppose this is C1 and this is C2. Hai C1 lo ni se, hai C2 lo ni ta se. Chemical C1 but not C2 means C1 minus C2, which is this portion excluding C2. Chuti ni chuan C1 minus C2 and C1 is 123 and C2 is 50. The given here and C1 intersection C2 is 30. N of universal number of universal set is 200. The set of all chemicals C1 but not chemical C2 means C1 minus C2. So the formula is NC1 minus C2 plus NC1 intersection C2. NC1 minus C2 plus NC1 intersection C2 equal to NC1. Heta chuti ni chuan hai hi le lama kan son pho yanga we will move NC1 intersection C2 is the to right hand side. The sign will change plus to minus. A sign kha minus alo ni to ang chuti ni chuan NC1 value is 50. NC1 intersection C2 to 30 lo nia chuti ni chuan the answer will be 90. Here the set of all chemicals C2 but not chemical C1 ani chuan in the portion is here. Chemical C2 but not C1 means here excluding C2 which means C2 minus C1 alo ni tani. Chuan NC2 minus C1 plus C1 intersection C2 equal to NC2 alo nia. Chuti ni chuan NC2 minus C1 kan zon chua don chuan hai le lama kan son phai le nga. The sign will be minus alo ni yang a sign chu chuti ni chuan NC2 minus NC1 intersection C2 lo ni chuan hai chu 50 an ya value kha 50 minus 30 chu 23 lo ni ta ni. Ta chuan set of chemical C1 or chemical C2 means C1 or C2. C1 mo C2 means C1 union of C2 alo tina ni chu. Heta chuan C1 union C2 tina nia formula of A union B means C1 union C2 means NC1 plus NC2 minus NC1 intersection C2 lo ni. NC1 to 120 ya, NC2 to 15 ya, intersection to 13 ya. Answer to za som li lo ni ta ti na ni chu o. Chuan next kan en le chuan exam na chuan 56% te chu an fail a English a. 48% failed in science and 18% failed in both English and science. Find the percentage of those who pass in both subjects. Aronditani. Failed in both English and science teka 18 an nitani. 2 A intersection B tina. English le science a fail teka. Hey hi English an ya, hey science an ya. Hey hi mi som pariat an ni. Chuan failed in science only ani chuanin failed in science ani chuanin heng hi science zong teka. Science zong a fail to 48 an ni hai all science tina. Chuan hai to 56 an ya. Science only ani chuan this portion. Oh, this portion. 48 minus 18 means science only. 56 minus 18 means this portion, which is only English. Oh, hi, only English. 58 zok kasoy swala ni chu. Chuan failed in one or both subjects means failed in one or both subjects ani chuan in I subject tina hai headline kha chu ti ni chuan hai chu 38 ania hai chu 30 lo ni to a. Both subject means A union B tina ni union ani chuanin I only te le hemi bel khom kha summation of all only and intersection. Oh, tuti ni chuan hei zong zong bel khom kha nia 36 alo ni yang. Chuan pass in both subject aron ditani. Failed te kha chu failed zong te kha chu mi somriat parukan ni ta a. Subject both subject a English le science a fail zong te kha somriat parukan ni chuanin I subject a pass ve te chu the percentage of the number of student is high percentage ti ni chuan 80% te ti ni chuan if they put the value like percentage so the total number of student will be 100. To tini chuanin we can count total number of student is 100 minus 86 is 14. And tirnan, for example, if Sangi have 10 marble and Cho weigh 6 marble. 6 marbles ka Cho weigh chuan apai bau chuan how many marbles do she have kanti chuanin she if you find out the marble she have ka can find out don ni chuanin 10 minus 6 kanti don ni 10 minus 6 like this we can find out 100 minus 86. The number of students is 100 and the failed person in both subject is 86. So the failed person pass person in both subjects will be the remainder. Tinani may remainder. Oh, chuan a school awarded 42 medals in hockey and 18 in basketball, 23 in cricket. The medals were bagged by a total 65 students and only 4 students got medals in all sports. How many students received medals? Exactly 2 or 3 sports. 2 medals ayatam receive how ka 2 medals ayatam receive how ka exact nge 2 how many students receive medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports ani chumo 2 pan medal pani dong how ka exact nge an ni ti khamin ron zot ta ni chuti ni chuan let A B C denote the set of students who bag medals hockey, basketballs and cricket. Chuti ni chuan hockey means A, N of A means 24 42. N of B means 18. N of C means 23. And now, if these medals were back the total of 65 students, the total is 65 students. Total means union. N of A union B union C is equal to 65. And 4 students got medals in all three. The student who have got 3 medals means 3 medals lakop chu mo lakop ani chuanin intersection tina. N of A intersection B intersection C, which is 4 lo ni ta ni. Let x be da chu ti ni chuanin 2 medals lakop te kha tungen ni kan shelau. Heta chuanin 2 medals lakop te kha we don't even know the person who got 2 medals ti kha kan shelau ani heta hian, so we can put x tin kan lau name ang o x tin medals in exactly 2 or 3 sports. Now we can find out the formula N of A union B mangin. N of A union B formula is here. Oh, hai chu in shet to in ka sia hai hetami hi chuan chu ti ni chuanin for 2 medals la te chu we have A intersection B, B intersection C. A intersection C means the person who got 2 medals. So chu ti ni chuanin we can put x instead of those. Oh, x hai ta kan da thai chu ti ni chuan N of A means 4 to 2 18, hai chu 23, hai chu 4, hai chu 65 alo nia. Chuan hemi belkom x value chu hei zong belkom chu the sum of all this is 87. Now we will move left hand side, so minus sign will be plus sign. 65 kha kan enge move back lenga, the plus sign will be minus. 87 minus 65 will be 22. Oh, chuan hai kan han en lenga. In a survey of 100 students, the number of students studying various languages is found as the number of students studying various languages is found as English only 18, English but not Hindi 23, English and Sanskrit 8, Sanskrit and Hindi 8, English 26, Sanskrit 48, and no language is for 24 ronditani. Chuan chu ti ni chuan tu na kan zon tur chu enge survey na chuan no pang za an oma number of student te zinga khanin I enge tong sang thiam khan oma English chau thiam som pariat, English thiam ma se Hindi thiam lau som ni pathum, English le Sanskrit thiam pariat, Sanskrit le Hindi thiam pariat, English chia thiam som English thiam som ni paruk, Sanskrit thiam som li pariat le eng language ma thiam lau som ni palin omani. Chu ti ni chuanin tian kan putang o hai hi. A means English only, B means Hindi only, and yeah, C means Sanskrit only. Chuan D means both Hindi and Sanskrit. E means both English and Hindi. F means both English and Sanskrit. G means both English, Hindi and Sanskrit. The question was given English only. A means 18. English but not Hindi means English but not Hindi. But not Hindi is here. English but not Hindi means A plus F, which is 23. English and Sanskrit means English and Sanskrit is the intersection F plus G 8. Sanskrit and Hindi means the intersection is G and D, which is 8. English means all English is A, E, F, G. Here we can put here, which is 26. This is given. Oh, hai to given ala ni. Sanskrit chu hai a whole khan ile mai Sanskrit ti chuan Sanskrit chu ngom zong bel khom ani mai C D FG 48 talo ni le mai don ni chuan tu na kan zon tur chu either English Sanskrit Hindi ani chuan either ani chuan awa in tina whole tina which is A B C D E F G thleng kha ni mai chu ti ni chuan in naupang zong kha total number of student is 100 the person who have no language is 24 chu ti ni chuan kan mai na sang the remainder will be 76 76 person use those three language chu ti ni chuan in 76 atang hemi hi aron in siam ti na ni chu chuan chu ti ni chuan in heta a kan nei a plus f chu a aya 18 kan da thaya 18 ania f is equal to 23 minus 18 chu 5 aron chuaka chuan next kan en lenga f means 5 ani to f plus g f aya khan we can put 5 instead of f chuan 5 8 minus 5 to 3 so the value of g will be 3 chuan heta chuan d plus g means g kan nei to we can put 8 instead of g so the d value will be 5 chuan hey now we will take out this equation hey kan la lenga chu ti ni chuan c plus d f g we already have d f and g we can put all those value instead of d f and g hey kan putang hey tikha hey le hey hi chuan so the value of c is 35 chu ti ni chuan in hey hi kan mang le now you can take out this equation CDFG we can put the value C D F and G we can put the value of this is E hey hey C nya put the value of D F and G hey hi kan mangang tu na chuan hey hi A F and G instead of here chuan chu ti ni chuan show the value of E will be 0 lastly we can take out the equation which is A plus B plus C plus D F G equal to 76 we already have the value of A C D E F G so we can put the value instead of A C D E F G we as you put here and here so the value of B will be 10 10 alaw ni don ta ni chu B chu hei he lai B hi 10 ane ti khana value hi kan nei vek to ta ti na ni chu ti ni chuan number of students studying in Hindi kan zong don studying in Hindi means number of student studying in Hindi means kan ti chuan in number of student engza tin nge Hindi zir kan ti chuan Hindi means B E G D an ni Hindi zir te kha chu B E G D nia chu ti ni chuan in B D E G kha kan langa so we can put the value of B D E G we already find out heta hianin kan zon chua to ho kha hai B is here 10 D is khonge here E is 0 chuan G is 3 so the value is 18 chuan number of students studying English and Hindi both English and Hindi both means here E and G English and Hindi both means E and G this is English this is Hindi so the both of English and Hindi means E and G so the value of E is 0 and G is 3 so number of students studying both English and Hindi means 3 khang zong kha voina ta na kan zir thei chu ni a a har ve de ulek mai the mai ro chu hria thiam lo tur om lo thu mang vekin words problem ron da a khang kha in let chua kanga in hria thiam lo chuan min zo don ya. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, students.
Thank you, Miss.